Do you want to learn this one simple SEO hack that will get you hundreds of backlinks to your site? Today, I'm going to share with you how to create content that generates a lot of backlinks. Let's face it, the people who've been doing this for years are just going to generate more backlinks because they've been around so long. If you don't have backlinks, you're not going to get amazing rankings. So, what should you do? Don't worry. I have a simple tactic that will help you generate backlinks. Simple. Just see who links to their most popular articles. Take their most popular informational and step-by-step articles and create infographics from them. Use a competitor analysis tool like Ahrefs. You can use tools like Infogram, Canva, or Fiverr to create your infographics. It has to be simple. The story has to be easy to follow along. It has to be more visual than text. If you do this for your competitors' most popular blog posts, you will generate a ton of backlinks, and your website will rank higher because you've just built up a ton of domain authority. Click the link in the description for more information.